Hello guys, it's me again. Today we continue work on iSPA CMS, and firstly I need to created some helper in yesterday, so we need to add this to autoload here with device, and we have the app helper is the helpers. Is it right? Yep, that's all. And then we need to test it about I'm sorry. So we will test it on the dashboard. The dashboard here, I create the get user, get account, and then we have agent, and get account, then the rest and account value with the trace data in there, and then we have the account here. That's it. And get the account. This is final file here. Admin and account. So we create account router, get, and that's it. In the account, and open account controller. We create a function is get account information 00 pop account with the AppResponse raise and return the AppResponse. Then we have return the rest with the data, and we fetch the data with the user. Alright, name with the user is the name, and get around call to admin users, call to undefined function app controller v1 admin user. This just working. So we check why it's not working with the app helper and the helper here. If function not exist, no function users. And maybe I have to run a composer autoload again. So pass here, and we have a composer dump-autoload. See. I'm still getting sick, and maybe I will smoke my mouse. Quá too long. Okay, it's running. Maybe it's working, and then we try it again. Yeah, it's working. We have the user and the name. That's it. That's good. In the name, iSPA CMS. And we remove this and this again. So that's it. We have the user. So the next is we have to manage the language here, and in the language we have the index. Get model and on. This is not any model here, so we need to create a new language. In my old project I have migration with the setter have two languages in the English and the Vietnamese. So maybe I will create it by myself. So I need a model here. So a model, this is model pop-up. I will create with element plus sorry, and we go to component here and search for the module data, and no navigation, no feedback. Yeah, that's it. And this is the dialog here. Click to open the module. Yeah, that's it. We have a dialog, and then in the language here we have the model here, and we have the model state ref is fail, and we see the model with the model state here, and we don't need that. And in this case we have the width in the desktop screen. Maybe we have 50% percentile, but in the mobile we need this width a 100%. So I have to check it about the mobile. Check with the view mobile checker, detect package, and the view mobile detections. View mobile detection is mobile. Yeah, that's it. We have the view mobile here, and then we run it in the project to the terminal here. Nice. Oops. Okay. Clear is and pass. Oops. Sorry. Okay, I have the npm I up I d yep, it's working. Mobile detection. Okay, and we have check is the mobile here. Is mobile, and then we have the and 100% else. That's it. Okay, model stage with a click equal model stage, and I have the opened model, and we have the open models is the equal model state value is true, and it's not working. What is mobile is not a function. Okay, what's wrong with this? Any progress? And npm 3 npm instant, maybe that is working. So I need to check the docker file here, if the width with the npm, and the package is up to date. So why the package not update here? Is mobile is not a function. I don't know why. This right? Maybe I will restart the server of the width here. I need to restart this. Maybe it's working again. Yeah, it's not working. Yeah, plug in, optimize it. and again it's not working. I see. Maybe I know it because I'm not using view mobile detection on the main of the app, and I import view mobile detection here and use this. There is it. It's working. Yep. And is in the mobile. That's it. Next, type this. Type ignore. The package is not support for the type. Maybe that. Okay. Then we have to constant the form, the form in const form the ref here with the type with the form, export the form, interface, language form, and what we have about the language. We have the name, the code, the local, that's it. And maybe that. Copy this and paste it into here. And string. Okay, we have the integer here, we have the number, and name it a string, and code in a string, local is a string, local alias in a string, flag string, currency string, and this is the bool here, boolean, and locate status. Okay, that's it. And this is language form. We connect here into import it. Language form from, and this is the YouTube, and the language form. We will pass this into type of the language form or the okay. Here the type, language form or refer to a type, but using your funny here. So why it's not working? Why it's not working? Maybe that. Okay, and we have the boom. And this is fails. That's it, and publish it. And there is it. We have the language form here. And this is the form, and this is the title with the form equals more than 0, and this edit language, and else is update free language. And we have removed this F from with the model the form, and label position is the top. Boom. Well, that's it. We have the create here, and create cons 2, and in the mobile this is con 1, and create cons 2. Okay, and then we have this section, go into here. Yeah, that's it. And we have the gap for drop in the name. Prop in the local, and local in the currency. And we have the default web is true and for web is true. In the flag URL, and the currency, So we need to check the cons from ref ref type of L from or none and then none. With the from ref we have to ref equal from ref, and then we have the from rules here. With the rule is name called local accuracy. Yep, maybe that. And then we have the rule here. The rules equal from rules. Yep, okay. And the last one is the status. We have the local host with the each one, right? The SVL and the iSPA.io. Oops, is it right? It's not right. Is it the password? Yep, and the password. Don't say. We have this assemble app here, and we don't have the language, and we don't have the enumerate and enumerate types. So maybe the first thing we had to do is we have to define the enumerate type and enumerates. So in the client we stop this stop here, and in the client we need to create another navigations. With the setting, and then we have the children. The first children is enumerate and the manage, enumerate, manage. We have the enumerate dot manage, and in the navigation we have to create a new navigation. With the title in the setting, right? Is it right? Is it about the setting? Maybe that. So we just only put in here direct setting is 0, log setting, and then we have the children with the array here, and we have the enumerate, manage, right? Yep, that's right. And enumerate. Okay, we have to redirect to here. and I will rename this into this. Okay, we have the navigations, and then we have the settings dot view, and is we enter, and the router view, and the next is the file enumerates dot manage dot view, and is v again, and then we have the enumerate management. So yeah, that's it. Settings slash enumerate here. But the sub menu here is the too small, so we need to check the mean weight, and with the weight is auto, with the width auto. No, it's not working. So what happened to it? Maybe white, or maybe the width full here, right? Maybe the min width I set to 200 pixel, and remove the width from here. Okay, that's it. So the next is I will manage the enumerate type, and then we have the enumerate management. Slash manage, and then we have the enumerate types, manage type, and in the client you need to set the no, we don't need to set it. Okay, we set it here in the type, enumerate type. Enumerate dot type dot view dot file. Yeah, that's it. But why we need to drop this? I think this will be okay. In the manage management file here. I will create div with the enumerate management here, and then we have the button. We have the router link, and then we have to name with enumerate type and paste it into this. Here the enumerate type. Yep, that's it. Remove this. That's it. And in the type, we back to the enumerate manager. Enumerate types. In the enumerate type, I will split this string into two columns. So we need to flex the thread here, thread, and we have the thread cons 1 and MD create cons 4, maybe 4 or maybe 3. I think this is 3. It's not enough, and the gap 4. Yeah, that's it. And in the shell assurance, we have the corresponds 1, and the MD is and the last one is the correspond 1 with the MD correspond 2. Yep, that's it. In the table of the enumerate type, and this is the from to create and update. That's it. It's the same type in enumerate. And now we have to constant form here with the ref ID and 0 and name a string, import it from field, import ref from view. Okay, and it is firm with the L firm, and whenever is firm, and the position label position is the top. So we have the enumerate type with the name, the key name, and the key name. We have the constant from ref equal ref type L from imported L from element plus and ref equal from ref we have the prop here, and we have the cons with the form rules equal with the name and the key name is required. So we set the rule here, hit form rules and see what happened. Yeah, that's it. Next, we have to cons the submit form, and that's it. Eat button, do something. Eat Ajax and port with the language. No, with the enumerate. And the form value, and then raise the data with the success. We have to reset the form and notify. With the button stays ref12, and this is the button stay value is true, and then set the values is failed. Well, I see. We have the U stage with storage with the button staged and defaults, and then we have this, and in the Ajax we have the button state cons button state equal U storage button stage, and then we set it button state with the value is false. That's it. And we have the I button here, the loading E the button states. To be type value. Okay. Button. How to convert this into the button? It's wrong here, so we will check it again. Test and submit. It's not working, and we have to click in the submit form. That's it. Here the final file here. So with the omit wrap string value and the value string is not assigned to tie the boolean. So we need to convert it into the boolean. Maybe that. Use storage. Need to combine here. Well, oh, I see. Not really. Yet. Maybe it's not working. Yeah, it's not working because so what's next? We have the status, and we have the status, and then submit it. Empty string with the view. We have the type. What to enumerate in the type? So next is the API. Here we have the verb router with the verb, and here the middleware with the outside term here, and we have the account inside here, static function, and we remove this prefix the language, and then we have the enumerate. And then we have the route with the reflex on with the port, and slash is some type, and the action is oh, I see. We have a small problem here. We have the enumerate type controller, and the prefix is the enumerate type. And then we get the port, it is store, and we have the no, we don't have the file this. Okay, enumerate. We don't have the file here. We don't create the enumerate type, so we need to create the enumerate with the iSPA, CMS, and terminal. Here the PHP artisan make iSPA and enumerate. of API, right? Enumerate and enter it. Okay, and then we have the enumerate type. Enumerate type. You need to check again about the body name, the table name. Enumerate with the S and type. Okay. That's it. And here the enumerate type. Here, remove this. Is it the subdelete? No, it's not subdelete. So we need to remove somewhere. Okay, we remove the enumerate type. Remove the dot here and subdelete here. Remove this, and okay, that's it. And in the observer here, we have the restore and force delete. We don't need 3 of this. So in the table, we don't have the status. We just only have the name and the key name, right? The name and the key name. Remove this. We have the name and the key name. Okay. Alright, and now we process to create the language interface. What's wrong with this? Replay this, and we have okay. Let's hit blank here and create the new. Okay, enumerate type 0, 0, 0, and pop F with the star. We have the create enumerate. Okay, enumerate type request. I start enumerate and the request with the app response in the rest and app response. So check it if the user not token can okay, and here we use can with the create and this model and get model. Return the palette with the message You not have permission to use resource. Card in the response, HTTP foundation, and the 403 forbidden. And in the star enumerate we have the true here, the name and the key name here, and we're back to check the mark length of the enumerate type. It is the 50. That's it. And we have this, and model here, it is model and get model and field request validated. Okay, and we try it model cell and catch the exception. Okay, the error exception. Import the class. And then we return and the rest with the data, and the message is the trace successfully. With the card in the response foundation, and we have the HTTP created. That's it. And then we command this because we don't have to we don't have any permission now. The controller with the API here, and then we have the name controller and the name here, and the name here with the name here, the name here. Okay, this card respond. Okay, that's it. I see. And we don't have the import. Well, enumerate type controller, we have to import it with the name here. Okay. We have the enumerate type, and okay, that's it. And enumerate with the type. So let's try to train a new one. We have the status and the status. Submit. Well, I see. And we forgot to add the repository into the repository service provider here. We have the enumerate type. Nope. interface class enumerate type repository class. And in this session we have to add the construct here. Add the enumerate type with the class and import this class. So I will add it into the stub file repository here. Binding resolution and make the name interface with the class here. This is the repository stuff, and import it into this and use this into this. Pass the name here. Okay, that's it. And maybe we have to copy this into the enumerate here. Yep. Import this class, and this is the enumerate, and import this class. Okay. So the next is we have the enumerate interface here with the class called enumerate repository class. That's all. Add the model and add it lock. Remove this and see what happened. Boom. It's working. Yeah, it's working. So this is the big N, and okay, that's it. That's all in it. And then after we have the data, we set it back into the tables here. So we have to get enumerate type, and we have the constant here, and enumerate type EU store it. Enumerate with default E. Alright. Maybe that or maybe not. We have the data and with the array type. Maybe that. So why we okay, and then we have to enumerate type with values is equal with data equal the race data and data. Query assigned to printable will be lost. Primitive will be lost. This is the data with the any right. It's still got you ask someone later. So we have the enumerate type here. Then unmount it. And we get the enumerate type. Yep. It's not respond anything. So we back to the enumerate type controller and see what happened. This is the AppResponse and AppResponse here, and we have the request about the get enumerate type request. So this is true, and we have the get enumerate type request. Put the request here. Okay, and we have to update it after response. And if the user know the token can, we count the can enumerate with any this model, get the model. So we return the rest with the palette. And what is it? Okay, maybe I will create another function in the AppResponse. Here in the AppResponse we have the other function would set the message, set the no permission message default. Oops, 0 0. What the permission here? No permission, right? Not allow it. No permission. Okay, and then we have the this card is this is the fairless returned. This is the palette, and the cost is the response. It's default 100%. Okay, that's it. And then we have a return here with the no permission. That's on. Res the data right here and try it. Status with the success. Can view any of these get model. I see. If this view any cans, it will be returned to. So I will uncomment this and this and see what happens. I see, that's it. Okay. Just set this resource and AppResponse. Okay. I'm sorry. This is the data, and we have this model get. Okay. Just get, and we return the data. Yeah, it's okay. So maybe I'm stop here. I'm so tired today, and tomorrow or the next day I will continue this job. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a good night everyone.